Hello YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking to you about this beautiful cream right here in this bowl. What is it, you may ask? Well, I'm going to first start by telling you it is nothing new. It has been used in ancient Greece, ancient Rome, and in ancient Egypt for moisturizing the skin, also for soap making, even for light. Think lamp fuel and candles. What is this? This is tallow. Tallow is simply rendered beef fat that has been purified into a creamy balm. It is packed with antioxidants such as vitamin A, D, E, and K, plus lots of skin-loving fatty acids. These fatty acids plus the antioxidants help to nourish the skin and heal it. The beauty about tallow is that it copies the skin's own natural sebum, its natural oils, making it an incredible natural moisturizer. Tallow is pure, it is simple, and straight from nature. I rendered my own tallow here, and I simply did it by purchasing some suet, S-U-E-T, that's what the fat is called, from a local organic farmer. And I put it in a slow cooker. I will do a separate video on how to render tallow. But today I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of tallow for skincare. The tallow I have here, I've added some natural oils to it. So I've added some marula oil and I added moringa oil as well as bergamot essential oil, bergaptine free to help with scars, and calendula oil to help with healing. What I didn't do with this was I didn't emulsify it. So I didn't use an emulsifier to get it nice and creamy and smooth. And as I tell you about the benefits of tallow, that's what I'm going to be doing. So what are the benefits of tallow? Like, why is it so popular? You can't turn on social media, look under DIY skincare without seeing somebody talking about tallow. Tallow is rich in skin-friendly nutrients. Like I said earlier, it's packed with vitamin A, D, E, and K, which supports skin repair, elasticity, and the overall health and look of your skin. Anti-inflammatory, and it has antimicrobial properties. So I'm going to start by just mixing here. Tallow is deeply moisturizing. You can tell it's nice and smooth. It's not beady anymore, which was what it was before. Tallow is deeply moisturizing. It copies skin's natural own sebum, its natural oils. And what this does is it allows it to absorb easily without clogging the pores. It helps to create a protective barrier that locks in moisture, which is perfect for dry or sensitive skin. It supports skin barrier function. Look at this. So nice and creamy. Its fatty acid profile closely resembles that of healthy skin. It helps to repair and maintain the skin barrier. Ooh, look at that, getting it all outside. It helps to prevent water loss and keeps your skin soft and hydrated. If you have irritated skin, tallow might just be the answer because it is helpful for conditions like eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, or chronic dryness. It naturally calms the skin and it's non-irritating when applied to sensitive areas. It also helps to promote pro-aging. The antioxidants, especially vitamin E, protects the skin from radical damage. Sun, wind, smoke, environmental stressors. And it encourages smoother, more supple skin with fewer lines. It's non-toxic and it's natural. It's free from synthetic chemicals, fragrances, and preservatives, like the ones that you find in commercial creams. And it's ideal for people who are seeking a minimalist, natural skincare approach. This is DIY Skincare 101, everybody. This is it. If you want to make your own tallow, I would suggest buying organic suet, the beef fat, and rendering it yourself. Perhaps a daily moisturizer for your face and body. You can also use it as a lip balm, and it also helps to heal cuts and scrapes and burns. You can use it on babies, and it's great as a hand cream for cracked or dry hands. I'm going to scoop my tallow in here, nice and creamy. At nighttime, I am apologetic with how much I use on my skin. Beautiful tallow for beautiful skin. Ancient skincare making a new age comeback. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.